Hi, grade sixes. So today we're going to look at local government makes laws. Make sure you have the Google slide open on your Chromebook so you can follow along and fill in the blanks. So remember, every blank, it's the bold word in the presentation that you're copying down. If at any point it's going too quickly, make sure you pause the video so you can copy down the word properly and it's spelt correctly. So we'll go through the notes together and then you are going to do a thinking it through question. And once you're finished that, you can submit. All right. So local governments make rules called bylaws. Bylaws are rules that guide and restrict people's behavior. These rules help keep people safe and help the community run smoothly. Bylaws can only be enforced in the area where they've been passed. One municipality's bylaws cannot be enforced in a different municipality. So for example, Edmonton's bylaws cannot be enforced in Calgary. People are responsible for knowing and obeying the bylaws. If they do not, justice will usually require them to pay a fine. So in the two pictures, you can see two examples of bylaws. So the first one says, please leash up and clean up after your dog. So if you do not follow that bylaw, the maximum fine is $500. And the same thing with the other one. It says no skateboarding or rollerblading allowed. Violators will be prosecuted, which means if you break that law, that they can give you a fine for breaking it. So, thinking it through. Rocky View takes over noxious weed-infested land. For the first time ever, the municipal district of Rocky View will take over a large parcel of agricultural land that has become infested with noxious or harmful weeds and will start a weed control action plan. The owner of the land received several notices from Rocky View asking her to treat the weeds, but she failed to do so. Weed control will start immediately and the owner will be billed for it. Rocky View spends approximately $250,000 every year on programs to fight weeds. Year-round educational meetings, workshops, and tours are held to educate the public on the problems caused by noxious weeds. So this article describes what happened in a rural community when a landowner refused to obey a bylaw. So, do you think it was fair for Rocky View Council to take this action? Explain your thinking. So on the Google slide, you are going to answer this question in complete sentences and make sure you use detail to back up your opinion. So whether you think it was fair or unfair, please explain why. Once you've finished that, you can submit it.